Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see an instant Kalakand. Let's see the ingredients required. 1 cup of homemade condensed milk, 2 tablespoons or quarter cup of curd, 4-5 pistachios for the garnish. And that's it. For the recipe of the instant condensed milk, click on the link above. Now let's go into the preparation process. Add the condensed milk to a microwave safe bowl. Now let's add the curd to the condensed milk and mix both the ingredients. This will take 3 to 4 minutes, but it's best to give 1 minute at a time because condensed milk will tend to boil and spill over. After every minute, stir it nicely, put it back. Third minute, it should be ready. Sometimes it could go on to the 3.5 or the 4th minute. Mix it well. You can see it's already thickened a little. Now we'll give it another minute. Now let's stir it once again. Looks so pretty. It's thickened so well, so you know in another minute it will be done. Back into the microwave. I'm opening it midway because I am seeing it rising to the top. After the second minute, you can even give 30 seconds at a time. It's still a little moist. Now, in it goes again. 10 seconds left. Now give just 30 seconds and keep an eye. Another 10-12 seconds, you can bring it out. Your Kalakand is ready. It may appear moist to you now, but do not give it any more extra time. Even 30 seconds will mar this. Once you see a brown speck, it will immediately harden and it will not taste good. Just see the difference between the original condensed milk that we used and the Kalakand. When it cools, it will definitely be perfect. Nothing can go wrong. Most foolproof recipe that you can think of, you can bet on it and try it confidently. You can even divide this into 2 portions, mix cocoa powder in half and layer it, and you'll get a nice 2-tier barfi. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 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 wow. Really tempting. And some pistachios for the garnish. Incredible. This Kalakand took us just 4 minutes. You need to keep a check on the timing. First 2 minutes, confidently give it, then keep increasing only by 30 seconds. As I already mentioned, some microwaves, they consume more power, but they work faster. It could be ready after 3.5 minutes. Sometimes it could take the 4th minute. You have a nice, yummy sweet in just 4 minutes. Now, what else? I need to taste it. Thank God I never gave it another 30 seconds. As it is, perfect, nice and chewy. We used only the condensed milk, no added sugar. Perfect. You don't require any more sweet. Go innovative and give us the feedback. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.